Next question है the Japanese term for an organization commitment to continuous improvement. Answer is Kaizen. इसके अदर ऑप्शंस हैं किकपैट्रिक, कुरोशी, ऑफ शेयरिंग. किकपैट्रिक है 4 लेवल ट्रेनिंग इवैल्यूएशन मॉडल. इसमें आता है आपका रिएक्शन, लर्निंग, बिहेवियर, रिजल्ट्स. कुरोशी होता है विच कैन बी ट्रांसलेटेड लिटरली एज ओवरवर्क डेथ. Is a Japanese term relating to occupational sudden mortality. The most common cause of Kuroshi deaths are heart attacks or strokes due to stress and a starvation diet. Next is Kaizen. Kaizen is a Japanese sign meaning change for the better or continuous improvement. 5 elements of Kaizen approach: teamwork, personal discipline, improve morale, quality circle, suggestions for improvement. Next is offshoring. Offshoring is the relocation of business process from one country to another, typically an operational process such as manufacturing or supporting process such as accounting. Offshoring, the practice of outsourcing operation overseas, usually by companies from industrialized countries to less industrialized countries with the intention of reducing the cost of doing business. Offshoring, relocate a business or department to a foreign country to take advantage of lower taxes or cost. Next question, a business buying situation in which the buyer wants to modify product specification, prices, terms or suppliers. Answer is modified rebuy. इसके अदर ऑप्शन है ऑनलाइन बाइंग, पर्सनल बाइंग और पर्सनल सेलिंग. तो आइए इसके अदर ऑप्शंस को देख लेते हैं. ऑनलाइन बाइंग या ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग क्या होती है? ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग इज़ अ फॉर्म ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉमर्स विच अलाउ कस्टमर्स टू डायरेक्टली बाय गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज फ्रॉम अ सेलर ओवर द इंटरनेट यूजिंग अ वेब ब्राउजर और अ मोबाइल ऐप. Global coverage is one of the major benefits of online shopping. Next is modified rebuy. Modified rebuy is a buying situation in which an individual or organization purchase goods that have been purchased previously but changes either the supply or some other elements of the previous order. In this, the buyer wants to modify product specification, terms, prices, supplies. Personal buying, individual buying. The customers who buy goods or services for their daily domestic use are called individual or non-institutional buyers. Such customers buy the goods for their daily use, daily needs such as food grain, clothes, medicine, kitchen utensil, cosmetics, etc. Personal selling. Personal selling is also known as face-to-face selling, in which one person who is the salesman tries to convince the customer in buying a product. It is a promotional method by which the salesperson uses his or her skills and abilities in an attempt to make a sale.